Hello everyone. Welcome to a class of Advanced CapCut for learning advanced video editing techniques. So if you're planning to learn advanced video editing technique, then you're in the right place because in this chapter, we will learn everything to get you started. Let's take a look what you're going to learn here in this tutorial. 1. Introduction to Advanced CapCut. Workspace and interface, making a pop-up video effect, zoom in, zoom out and magnify effect, creating a circle mask, creating custom LUTs, using green screen, creating a blur background, cinematic slow motion in CapCut, the double exposure effect, the split screen effect, tracking objects in CapCut, cinematic reverse and freeze effect, crawling text animation, cinematic color grading, the color swipe text effect, and creating thumbnail in CapCut. After completing this class, you will be able to learn about the workspace and the interface. You will be able to use mask, speed up and speed down your video, do advanced color grading, and also track objects inside the video. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you will have class projects. So what you learn, you will be able to participate in class project. And also you will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you. So let's start learning CapCut for video editing together.